Hello everyone. Imagine going to work one day and discovering that your job is now being done by a machine, not in the future, not in science fiction, but today. Artificial intelligence is advancing faster than anyone expected, and experts believe millions of jobs could change or disappear by the year 2030. Some of the jobs most at risk are jobs people once believed were completely safe. In this video, we'll explore 5 jobs that artificial intelligence may replace by 2030 and what this means for the future of work. Let's begin. Job number 1. Customer service representatives. If you've ever contacted a company for support, there's a good chance you've already spoken with artificial intelligence. Many businesses now use AI chatbots to answer customer questions. These systems can respond to messages, solve common problems, process refunds, and even hold conversations that sound surprisingly human. Companies love this technology because AI can work 24 hours a day, never gets tired, and costs far less than hiring large teams of employees. Because of this, many companies are already replacing call center workers with advanced AI assistants. By 2030, a large portion of customer service jobs could be automated. Job number 2, data entry clerks. Data entry might be one of the most vulnerable jobs in the AI revolution. Traditionally, companies hire people to manually enter information into computer systems, but modern AI tools can now read documents, scan forms, extract important details, and update databases automatically. Some AI systems can process thousands of documents in just seconds. Tasks that once required entire teams can now be handled by a single automated system. Because of this, many businesses are already reducing data entry positions. By 2030, this job may become almost completely automated. Job number 3, basic content writers. Artificial intelligence writing tools have improved dramatically over the last few years. These tools can now generate blog posts, product descriptions, marketing emails, and even news summaries. Many companies already use AI to produce large amounts of content very quickly. Instead of hiring multiple writers, businesses can generate drafts instantly and have one editor review them. This doesn't mean writers will disappear completely, but routine writing jobs may become much less common as AI continues to improve. Job number 4, retail cashiers. Self-checkout machines are already common in many stores, but the next step is even more advanced. Some stores are experimenting with AI-powered systems where customers simply walk in, take what they want, and leave. Sensors and computer vision technology automatically track the items that customers pick up. No checkout lines, no cashier required. Companies like this system because it reduces labor costs and speeds up the shopping experience. As this technology spreads, traditional cashier jobs may become far less common. Job number 5, basic graphic designers. Artificial intelligence image generators have become extremely powerful. Today, someone can type a simple prompt like, "Create a modern logo for a coffee brand." Within seconds, the AI can generate multiple professional designs. These tools can create logos, marketing graphics, website images, and product visuals almost instantly. Creative designers will still be valuable, but many basic design tasks that once took hours can now be completed by AI in just seconds. So what does all of this mean for the future of work? While some jobs may disappear, technology also creates new opportunities. In the past, new inventions eliminated some jobs but created completely new careers. Artificial intelligence will likely do the same. Skills like creativity, critical thinking, leadership, and human connection will become even more valuable in the future. The real challenge is learning how to adapt as technology continues to evolve. The rise of artificial intelligence is one of the biggest technological changes in history. Some jobs will disappear, others will transform, and many completely new careers will emerge. The real question is not whether AI will change work, but how we prepare for that future. What do you think? Which jobs do you believe artificial intelligence will replace next? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoy content about artificial intelligence, technology, and the future of work, consider subscribing to the channel because the future is arriving faster than anyone expected.